Hi, in this video today I'm going to show you how you can set the alarm on your Bush DAB radio here. So first thing we want to do is actually turn it on, so take it off standby, and then we're going to go into the menu button here, which is this one here. So hold this down for a few seconds and we're going to go into system. To move around we're going to be using next and previous, and this is to enter, this big button at the front. So move around here until you get to system, so move up and down here, and then enter into the system, and then move around until you go to alarm, which is this one here, and basically alarm 1 setup. So we're going to enter into that and it's going to ask us the time. So this is how you move the time. It's 24-hour clock. So we're going to keep it at 16. It's 16:10 at the moment. Let's set it for 16:12. So press this one and it will move on to minutes. So that's the hour done. And now we can move up and down. You can hold it down if you want it to go quicker. See it moving quicker there. So let's put it down to 12, entering that. Duration, you can have it going off for 60 seconds, 90 seconds, 120 seconds, 15, 30, 45. So let's leave it at 60. Hit enter again, and you can have buzzer, DAB or FM. It's up to you what you get woken up by. You can get woken up to DAB station, FM or buzzer. So I'm going to leave it on buzzer. And then it's asking, do you want to do it once, weekends, weekdays, daily, or once? So basically, leave it on once if you just want a one-off alarm. But if you want it daily, then you would do that. If you want it weekdays, that's options there, and also weekends as well. The date, it's asking for the date. Again, you can change that. So this is the day of the week, this is the month, and this is the year. And again, you can just change it by doing that. So I'm leaving all that the same. Now, this is the volume of the buzzer. So I'm going to set it to about halfway. I think halfway would wake up most people, but if you're a very heavy sleeper, you might want to put it louder. It kind of goes up in increments. It doesn't just start blaring straight away. It ramps up a little bit. I'm going to go to there, and now we just need to turn it to on. So that's the alarm set, and now it goes to on here. And if you have a look here, do you know what happened there? I ran out of time. It's gone to 16:12. Let me just quickly go through that again now. I'm going to set it to 13 and just be very quick. That's that one there, that's that alarm on, alarm saved. That's what it should do, it's just that I set it too quick for here. Can you see now we have a little icon here with the alarm. So I'm just going to turn it off to standby. And you can still see there's a little alarm icon here with 1 next to it. So it just means that we've got the alarm 1 set. And once that gets to 13, we know it's going to go off, so we've got about 15 seconds to go, so I'll just fast forward through this and you'll hear it ramp up gradually. You have an option to snooze it by hitting this button here. You also have an option to adjust the snooze. There's different snooze settings. I can't remember what it is, like 9 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes, something like that. Hear it getting louder? There you go, it's quite loud. And remember, that's only halfway. And then to snooze it, you can hit this one here. And that is it, it's going to start counting down the snooze from 9 minutes here. But let's say if you wanted to change that, you knew 9 minutes weren't quite long enough. Hit snooze again, and you've got an option to change it up. You see 15 minutes, 20 minutes. So then if you want a 20-minute snooze, just leave it there. And now it's counting down from a 20-minute snooze. So yeah, that's it. In 20 minutes that's going to go off now. Or what I can do is, you can see it's just flashing here as well to let you know it's on snooze. I can just put it to standby, and now can you see that's turned it off, and now hold it down again. Can you see now that there's nothing set? Yeah. So that's it. It's a little bit of a workaround, but once you get it set up once, you can leave it to weekdays all the time then, and that is it. You'll be woken up with that alarm every day. Thanks for watching.